Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 52-inch antique brass Encon Monterrey ceiling fan dated February of 1997. Now, I found this ceiling fan sitting at the curve, and as you can see, it has 4 reversible blades from plain to cane. And I'm going to show you the other side of the blades. It has cane blades. And what really surprises me is that the plain side of the blades are walnut instead of it being oak. And when I got this fan, the ceiling fan only worked on high speed, and I tried to change out the capacitor on the fan, and the ceiling fan worked only on medium with another capacitor or low. And then I tried changing out pull chains and stuff, and the ceiling fan still wouldn't work properly. So what I ended up doing was that I changed out the motor and replaced it with another motor that came off of a Hampton Bay Courtney ceiling fan that I parted out. So, and it originally came with a brushed nickel turtle fitter light kit, which I removed. And I put this switch cap on the ceiling fan, as I don't know what happened to the original schoolhouse light kit, because when I got it, it had a brushed nickel turtle fitter, and I'm going to show you where the brushed nickel turtle fitter is at. So I'll be right there. And this is what the brushed nickel turtle fitter looked like right here. And it's a Harbor Breeze brand. So, without further ado, I'm about to go on to demonstrate this fan, starting off with low. And here's the Encon pull, by the way. And for those who doesn't know, what does Encon mean? What does Encon really stand for? Encon is an abbreviation for energy conservation. That's what Encon really is. It's short for energy conservation. As you can see on the older Encon ceiling fans that was made back in the late 80s to about the 90s. But I remember that some gentleman by the username of Trap Rio, he had a video of an Encon Monterrey ceiling fan, but he didn't show a video of it running on 3 speeds. And when I first saw that ceiling fan and stuff, I didn't know what kind of Encon fan it was until back in 2013. I looked it up in the Encon ceiling fan catalog on DT Vintage Fans. I looked it up in the Encon ceiling fan catalog that was made in 1998, and I saw this ceiling fan, and the model name for this fan was a Monterrey. Otherwise, what I knew about this fan was that it's a knockoff of a SMC Emperor ceiling fan, and that's what this ceiling fan is a knockoff of. So I was gonna call it a Encon Emperor ceiling fan, due to the fact that a lot of ceiling fan collectors refer to this style of ceiling fan as the Emperor. And some gentleman by the Facebook username of Rock and Read 97 actually referred to this style of ceiling fan as the style of a turtle fan, But I'm not going to refer to this fan as the style of the turtle fan is because of the blade brackets. But other than that, this is just about low. And I'm about to go on and put it on medium. And then what I forgot to mention is that the down rod you see on this fan is not original to the fan, as I removed the original down rod because I didn't know what I did with the spare mounting bracket that I had that'll fit the original canopy for the fan. So right now I'm just temporarily testing this out on a generic mounting bracket. But I'm going to try to remind myself to show you the original canopy at the end of the video that actually goes to this fan. And then also what I forgot to mention is that it can also be down rod mounted, which is what you see on this fan right now, that is actually down rod mounted, or it can be flush mounted. But other than that, and then I also didn't tell you that the ceiling fan is also reversible, meaning that if I put the reverse switch in the upward position, then the ceiling fan is actually going to go this way. But I'm only showing it on downdraft. But I'm going to try to find a light kit for this ceiling fan one day. I'm going to try to find a light kit for this fan. But I would like to put like a schoolhouse light kit on it, because I seen a lot of these with a schoolhouse light kit, as that's what the ceiling fan would originally came with, which is a schoolhouse light kit. Otherwise, I might have to go to the Home Depot and get a schoolhouse light kit for this fan. But other than that, this is just about medium, and I'm about to go on and put it on high. Now this ceiling fan has a little wobble to it because of the blades on the ceiling fans are warped. They are warped and stuff, as you can see. So this, I'm trying to think of what else I have to say about this fan. Oh, and I forgot to tell you all this. Now, when I first found this ceiling fan, when me and my father rode past this ceiling fan sitting at the curve, I was staring at that ceiling fan, and I thought it was an SMC Emperor ceiling fan until I rode my bike to this ceiling fan that me and my father rode past and stuff. My father told me that this fan wasn't no good, so he told me not to worry about it and stuff. But I turned around and rode my bike over back to that neighborhood that me and my father rode past by, and found this, and I ended up grabbing this ceiling fan and stuff. And when I grabbed it and stuff, I looked at the stickers, and the stickers said that it was an Encon. So that's how I knew that the ceiling fan is an Encon Monterrey ceiling fan. As I remember seeing that ceiling fan in the Encon ceiling fan catalog. And these ceiling fans were available in antique brass, which is what you see right here, that the ceiling fan is antique brass, or you can find these ceiling fans in polished brass. But other than that, and then with the original motor on this, ceiling fan, the original motor had bad bearings anyway and stuff. So the ceiling fan, so with the original motor, the ceiling fan would have made that. That's the noise that the ceiling fan would have made with the original motor. But other than that, this is just about high. So I'm about to go on and turn this fan off. And then this is the reverse switch that'll make the ceiling fan go in another direction. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Now this ceiling fan wobbles a little bit better. Now this ceiling fan wobbles more in reverse than it does on forward. That's what I meant to say. But this probably might not be that noticeable on camera. But there it is. It's electrically reversible. But other than that, that's all what I have to say about this ceiling fan. So, this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.